His overall bare-knuckle fighting record stands at 4 victories, opposite a single defeat, with 2 no contest. For the second time, he finds himself as the challenger from Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Josh D-Day Dyer. Josh Dyer, 184 even. And his opponent, no stranger to the squared circle, holds a BKFC record, 7 victories opposite 2 defeats, and he is your reigning, defending BKFC World Light Heavyweight Champion from Rosemount, Minnesota, Mike the Marine Richmond. The champion, Mike Richmond, 183.5. We've been waiting a long time, ladies and gentlemen, for these two to finally match up, and it will happen tomorrow night for the BKFC World Light Heavyweight Championship. The champion, Mike Richmond, the